Kyle, You're Behind BBQ, and today we're making smoke fried ribs. All right, so smoke fried ribs. So I got some baby backs here. I'm gonna slice these open, lay these on the paper towels. I'm gonna wipe all this junk off. Now, sometimes you get baby backs or you get ribs, and the membrane, which is the back on the back of the ribs, the membrane will be there, but on these, the membrane's already gone. So that's good for us because I don't feel like doing a 4-edit thing of me trying to rip off membrane. Wipe them all down, and then you'll have some hanging meat and some little fat pockets and stuff. Go ahead and trim some of that down. Just trim that off. This little guy here, go ahead and cut that off. We're gonna season these up with mango chipotle. If you haven't had this rub, you need to try it. It's phenomenal on pork. I call it the pork killer. You go as heavy or light as you want on these. For the smoke fried, I tried to use a rub that doesn't have a lot of sugar in it, because if you use a rub that has a lot of sugar on it, if you're gonna do these smoke fried ribs, you'll notice the ribs are gonna turn really black and all the sugars in your rub are gonna burn on top of the ribs. And the chipotle mango, there's not a lot of sugar in it either. All right, after it's seasoned, boom, you're gonna let it sit on the cutting board, give it about 30 minutes before we go on the grill. We're gonna set these on here. And after an hour, we'll come back and check them out. So we got flavored knuckles, my boys. We got their chicken and veggie batter. So what we're gonna do is we are going to use a half a cup of this. There's a little scoop in here. Put it inside of a bowl. All right, get that in there. Okay, then we're gonna add 1 cup or your favorite hot sauce. Then we're gonna mix away. All right, ribs look good, ready to come off. I don't go by temp, I just go by the tap test. I'll tap the ribs, and if no rub comes off on my finger, that's how I know they're ready to wrap. But we're not wrapping these bad boys, we're deep frying. This would be the stage where we would wrap these in aluminum foil. We're not wrapping them in foil. So we're gonna flip them over and we're gonna start cutting them down. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in our batter we just made, and we are gonna completely coat them. Then we're gonna let them hang out here for a little bit. As they're deep frying, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the color. I'm going strictly off color. The ribs are already cooked, but I want that real crispy bite. So I'm just looking off color. I don't want them too dark. I don't want them too light. Just perfect. And I'll show you right when I pull them out. Damn, these look good. I put some ranch in a Ziploc that I'm gonna line the top of these with. Serve them just like that. Damn, these are good. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.